This is your macroeconomics video for the wealth effect. The wealth effect is one of three effects that explain why the aggregate demand line is downward sloping. And the wealth effect is the relationship between price level and C, which is consumption spending. So let's take an example. Let's say the price levels rise. That means that the general level of prices is going up. Everything else stays the same, ceteris paribus. That includes your income. So if your income stays the same and prices rise, then your real wages or your purchasing power is actually going down. So this means that the dollars that you have available from your wages can buy fewer goods and services. So your real wealth is lower than it was before. When this happens, it happens over time because you don't really realize that prices are going up. It takes you a while. You realize at the end of the month that you paid all your bills and suddenly don't have as much money to save as you normally did, or you suddenly don't have as much money to pay your bills like you normally would. So slowly over time, prices start to creep up, and it takes us a while to realize that we need to change our spending habits. As this occurs, people start to get this poor feeling. They don't know why. Their income has stayed the same. Their paychecks are the same. But because their money is not going as far as it used to, they start to spend less. And thus, as price levels rise over time, we see a fall in the amount of consumption that people do. So the quantity of aggregate demand goes down as price levels go up, which again is a negative correlation between your price level and your real GDP or output. So this means that price levels going up cause consumption to go down.